Hey there, math friends! Today I want to talk to you about conceptual understanding around multiplication facts. This is something that I hear from many of you, that your kids get stuck and it's hard to go forward with some of the other concepts when you don't really have those math facts down. Ultimately, we do want them to the point of automaticity, so they're not taking up space in the brain. So let's talk a little bit about how to get there. When you're introducing multiplication facts, we're going to start with 2s, sometimes 3s, maybe 5s and 10s, and kids can get those pretty well. Then we move on to 4s and they might get stuck a little. So if you're stuck on 4, just multiply by 2 and double it. So 4 times 7, we're going to call it 7 times 2 for the moment, or you could say 2 times 7. We know that's 14. Now we're just going to double it. Now I know my 4 times 7, and I get my 28. Working with multiplying by 6, it's the same concept. Kids have had a lot of practice. Also, we do a lot of like skip counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. So kids get that down. So if I'm having trouble learning to multiply by 6, let's break it down to multiplying by 3. So I've got 8 times 3 instead of 6 times 8 is 24. Now I'm just going to take that 24 and double it. It's the same concept as it is here. We get our 48. It's a little blurry to see. 7s are the sticking place, aren't they? Like the kids really struggle with 7s. All we need to do is multiply by 5, multiply by 2, and add that together. So if I've got 7 times 3, let's break that 7. I'm using that number bond concept. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6. Let's put that together. We've got 21. Eventually, students are going to get that memorized, but in the meantime, let's teach them conceptually what it is they're doing. We've got our 8s. We're just going to reuse this concept and this concept. It's just multiply it. It's like break it in half, multiply it by 4, and double that. So you can see that down here. We multiply by 4, and we can just double what we're working with. And finally, 9s. People love to do the finger trick, and that's fine, but it isn't teaching a conceptual understanding. 9 is really close to what friendly number? You got it. 9 is so close to 10. Let's just use 10, and then we subtract, because we would be putting 1 too many in. So 9 times 6, I'm going to think of it as 10 times 6, which gives me 60, but I put too many 6s in. 1 too many 6s, so I have to take that 6 away, and that's why 9 times 6 equals 54. It's one of the ways you can help your students think about it. Okay, I want you to give this a try. Let us know how it goes. That's it for today.